Look what the puppies found. I'll take it. They found these little puppy in my pocket things. These are so adorable. We'll just get to opening this first one. It's already cut. I haven't looked at it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that little Boston Terrier. Let's see what you are. These little eyes. Look at the detail on those eyes. Yeah, it's gonna see it. But they're so detailed in their eyes. So let's look at the little checklist. So let's see what you are. Okay, let's see. Are you an exclusive pup? Oh, I really want the pom-pom. Pomeranian. Oh, Pete is a puggle. So he's not one of those. See the series 4. So Mabel, no, 9. More skip this part. Okay, so I found him. He's little Binky. Oh, Binky. Let me focus. He's a toy fox terrier. So, hello, little Binky. So, put him there. And let's open this one. I know they already have like little bumps right there, but I just like to open them with scissors. Makes them much easier to open. There we go. So, grab the checklist. Is that what I think it is? Oh my god, it is. Look at that. Look at that cute little face. I'm going to skip over, let's see if it's one of the exclusives. Okay, so no. Okay, so I'm going to skip over this part to get to my little cutie. So I found some pal. I found Pal, the Lakeland Terrier. Hello, little pal. Well, there are little cute puppies in my pocket.
Yes, my dear granddaughter is going to vacuum in a little bit.
So, yes. Bye-bye.